Friday, I continue last week's mudding work in the garage. I apply corner bead to this window before turning to the corner bead and corner tape around the garage door. On Saturday, I break out my level 5 corner mudder to mud all the corners. As you can see, I'm having a hard time applying the mud. After trying several passes, I realized the mud needs to be thinned out with water, which fixed the issue. Before calling it a night, I apply more coats to the walls. On Sunday, I'm applying more coats of mud. At this point, everything has a base coat, so I'm just getting that second and third coat applied. Here's how the workshop is looking at the end of the night. On Monday, the new Christmas art has arrived, so I get it hung up. I think I'm allowed to go full Christmas mode now that it's December. I round out the week with another coat of mud in the garage. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, stay Christmassy.